Hello my friends, John LaRuffa again here with another Unbiased unboxing, and today we're looking at Ragusa. So let's just get right into it. Looks like it'll be a pretty beefy game. Find out. It brags about having all sorts of wooden pieces and includes a solo deck, so you know what happens when it includes a solo deck. It gets my interest right away. Let's go ahead and see what we got. All right, here we go. Again, nice heavy box, pretty standard looking artwork, but that's okay. If there's a good game inside here, then I'm all for it. Don't know too much about this game besides the reviews that I've read, a little bit here and there, and the fact that it includes solo. And if you know me, I love a good solo game, so we're going to find out how good it is in due time. All right, unpacked. Ready to go. Again, a little descriptive action in the back of the box here, as you can see. And let's see what we get. All right, so as we break this guy open, set of rules on the top. Looks rather beefy, but pretty large text. Lots of examples. Hopefully will be nice and easy to understand. We will find out as it goes forward. And then, yeah, some examples at the end there. 3-player, 2-player solo mode gameplay. Good. All right, starts out with a nice looking board. Looks pretty well illustrated here. Okay. There's the board all splayed out for you right there. Double-sided board here, so my guess is one side is for 2 players, the other side is for a couple more. We'll have to check that out and see. Doesn't immediately make it obvious from the unboxing which side is which, but we'll find out. Let's see if there's anything. Nah, I don't see anything right now, but we'll look later. Anyway, you got that. All right, so then we've got the individual player colors inside here. As you can see, packaged up. Little bitty cards. Okay. So we got purple as a player color. Green. I like how they give you these little color-coded boxes. That's kind of cool. Orange, blue, and black. And then looks like some neutral stuff. Some of these little glass counters right here. They're not glass, though. They're plastic, so they look pretty good. They'll do the job, I'm sure. Okay, nicely printed 100 plus pieces there for the points, I'm sure. And you've got these little castles made of wood. Fairly standard, but will be just fine. We'll count those later. And then let's just take a color. How about we take the blue? See what we get. We got the houses like usual, standard houses. Everybody's seen those for many, many, many years. And then what looks like some type of castle-like structure or something else. We will find out. Again, I have not read the rules or looked into this too much, so I'm not really sure. Every component has the same kind of colors. Let's take a look at what's here. We have this, nothing. This is just a recyclable PET or HDPE stuff. Looks like here's the player boards. Crack these open. All right, we got our 5 colors right there. Oh, F minus. Not happy about that at all, folks. That is a scuff, and there's not a darn thing I'm going to be able to do about it. And there it is. That's a little damaged component right there. That's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. The back, colored. Boy, does that bother me. You spend $60 on a game or so, and you get that. Well, maybe we'll be requesting a replacement from Capstone Games. We'll see what happens. All right. And then these little cards right here. We'll open these guys up. Not going to sleeve this small size, but everything looks to be in good shape. These are good, solid quality cards. I like the matte finish on them. Seems like they're moving pretty easily through my hands. Not going to stick. I'll count those later. And then, careful. Looks like some other cards here. Okay, again, fairly good quality on the cards. Slightly thin, but not too bad. They're all right. They'll be just fine, I'm sure, for play. Same finish as the other ones. They look pretty colorful there. Okay. And then this has all the trappings of a solo deck look to it. So there we have it. Overall, pretty good, but this really bothers me. So hopefully you have better luck than I do. We're going to have to see about what to do about that, because I just do not appreciate having my components come out looking like that. So that is Ragusa. I hope it plays as good as it looks, minus that, of course. And we'll see. So hopefully you've enjoyed this unbiased unboxing. And I'm John LaRuffa. We'll talk to you soon.